Making new friends, the magic of hitting it off instantly. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that captures the essence of instant connections. Hit it off instantly. Whether in friendships, romantic relationships, or even casual encounters, this expression is a powerful way to describe an immediate bond between people. Stick around to understand not just the meaning, but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. Hit it off is a colloquial phrase used to describe a scenario where two or more people immediately like each other and enjoy each other's company upon first meeting. The word instantly emphasizes the speed and ease with which this connection happens. It's as if they've known each other for years, despite just meeting. This phrase beautifully captures the spontaneity and joy of forming new relationships. Though the exact origins of hit it off are a bit murky, it's believed to have come from old expressions related to striking or hitting a target accurately, symbolizing the target of mutual understanding or affection in this context. Over time, hit it off evolved into a popular idiom for quickly developing a friendly rapport. In terms of usage, you can use hit it off instantly in both formal and informal settings, though it leans more towards casual conversation. It's perfect for storytelling or sharing experiences about meeting new people. Let's look at some examples to see how hit it off instantly can be used in sentences. When I met my best friend at the orientation, we hit it off instantly. It was like we were meant to be friends. The first time our families met, they hit it off instantly, making the whole event a pleasant surprise. I was nervous about my blind date, but we hit it off instantly, talking for hours without a pause. For learners aiming to incorporate hit it off instantly into their vocabulary, remember, the phrase is best used in contexts involving personal relationships or first meetings. It implies a positive outcome, so it's used in happy or optimistic scenarios. Practice by forming sentences based on your experiences or hypothetical meetings. That wraps up our exploration of hit it off instantly. This phrase is more than just words. It's about the joy and surprise of instant connections. We hope this video has not only enriched your English vocabulary but also inspired you to cherish those magical moments of hitting it off with someone new. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.